All right, everybody, welcome back. With summer at our front doors, we're all prepping for those swimsuit days. Hey. And my next guest has been helping us lose weight and keep it off by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Please welcome back my buddy, the creator of the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse, my friend A.D. Dolphin, everybody.
Hey, Steve.
Yeah. Now, man, me and you, we've probably had more conversations about this than anybody in media with me. Tell everybody why it's so important to cleanse your body of toxins.
Steve, think about the pollution, the things that we're breathing in as far as like the air quality, the things that we eat as far as like the processed food, the things that we're drinking, the alcoholic drinks, the sugary drinks, things along those lines. Those things adversely affect your body and hurt your body from performing as it should. And the cleanse, what it's gonna do is help you eliminate that toxic waste so your body can perform better.
Now, you recently started working with somebody from your team.
Right.
Tell us about her.
Her name is Monique, she's my publicist, and she's a fixer. But this is a situation where the fixer actually needed to be fixed. I travel the country helping people all the time solve issues and get healthier, and I felt like, my friend deserves some time. So I spent some time with her and tried to get her on the correct path.
Okay, so what program did you put her on?
I put her on the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse. She did 2 cleanses in a row, so therefore she did 40 days of cleansing. The purpose of the cleanse is to clean out all your major eliminative channels. That's your gallbladder, your heart, your liver, your colon, your spleen, your lungs, your kidneys, your adrenal glands, your blood, and your skin. It's gonna flush out all the impurities in those particular areas of your body so your body can perform better.
Well, it's been 40 days.
There you go.
So let's see her now. Monique, come on out.
How you doing?
Good.
Well, Monique, I ain't seen you in a while. When I did see you, I didn't see this here.
Yeah.
Now, Monique, you started to cleanse as a size
16.
16?
Yes.
Do you want to tell your dress size now?
Yes, I'm really proud. Today I am a size 4. 4. Yeah.
Oh.
Size 4.
You done had a lot of changes in your life in the last few years. Why was it important for you to change your health?
A few years ago, Steve, I was living my dream. Like, I literally was. I was married to the love of my life. We had 3 awesome boys. They were amazing. I literally was living my dream life. And then September 2016, that's when the nightmare started. There I stood, pediatrics, ICU, staring at my 6-year-old son in a coma. He had swelling in his brain, infection in his lungs, his kidney, his liver, and his pancreas was all failing him. That night, the doctors told me that they didn't think he was going to make it. It was awful. On top of all of that, my marriage was failing. And I was in a dark place. I couldn't work or do anything. I had completely lost myself. And so I found comfort. I found my counselor, my best friend, my new husband. All of that was wrapped up into food. And I got up to 206 pounds.
Right.
And, you know, AD, I just have to say thank you because I've worked with this man for a long time. And at a point when I was at my lowest, Steve, when I wanted to hide from the world, he literally pulled me off to the side and he said, listen, I know your kids are ill. I know your marriage is not where you want it to be, but you're not gonna be no good if you're not here for them. And he said, I'm challenging you as my friend to become the woman that you know that God has blessed you to be. And he said, I'm gonna be along with ride with you. And he sure was. And I just wanna say thank you, AD.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
He really helped me. Like, the cleanse helped me. It helped me shape my body, right? But the cleanse also helped me, like, reshape my life. And I feel good. Like, I am so glad I did it.
Hey, AD, what do you want people to take away from the Dherbs Full Body Cleanse?
The thing I want them to take away is, look, if you're ready for a change, if you're ready to lose weight, and you commit to the process, the cleanse is easy. All you have to do is just follow those instructions, and you too can change your life.
It's like this. You gotta give your system a break from processed foods, from fried foods, from too many carbohydrates. Sometimes you just gotta give your body a break. Monique, really, congratulations. I'm glad you got yourself together and everything.
You're great.
I think it's worth looking into. And AD, as always, thank you for being here.
Absolutely.